how to make spaghetti with anchovies and cherry tomatoes. So first you're going to need extra virgin oil, garlic, onion, freshly cut cherry tomatoes, anchovies, parsley, pasta or spaghetti, salt and pepper. So first you're going to put the virgin oil on the pan, just like that. And then you're going to put some nice cut garlic, just like that. Now what you're going to do is boil a hot tub of water and put some pasta or spaghetti on it. Just like that. Once you've done that, put some onions on the garlic. And now you stir it up nicely. It looks good. Now look at that pasta. Now it's so magically, never mind. Now you put some cherry tomatoes on that. And here comes my favourite part. Next, you're going to put... wait for the stir. Just do the stir. Then, my favourite part is coming in. Now, here are the anchovies. Looks so good. Meanwhile, if you're watching this video, huge thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now stir that up nicely. Look at that. Just look at that. That looks so good. Stir it up nicely. Put some parsley on that to make it all rich. Then stir it up nicely, as always. And then you put some ground pepper, or just pepper on it. And shake it. Or I'm gonna stir it. No, just dump the pasta on it. Well, and then stir it up. Here we go. My favourite part, stirring it up. And then once you've done that, then nicely stir, you then are going to put it on a plate. What else can you do with pasta? Am I right? Look at that. Nicely good. Add some more parsley on that, and there you go. Looks good. Oh yeah, meanwhile, like and subscribe. Bye.